Hello everyone, welcome back to our learnings. We are in the discussion of no code series, and in the week 1 we have seen the what is no code, and in week 2 we distinguished between low code and no code, and we have seen the importance of low code and how it is useful and how it is efficient nowadays. In this video we are going to know about no code tools which we use in various applications in building apps or websites or managing the databases. So by having some brief intro about no code, let's dive into the no code tools. We already discussed that no code tools are software platforms or frameworks that enables individuals to create websites or applications without having any knowledge of traditional coding or programming skills. No code tools have gained popularity due to their ability to democratize software development and empower non-technical users to make applications or websites which otherwise require lots of coding expertise. Now let us discuss no code tools, where we use it and what are the applications or tools we use in order to achieve any website or application. Let us consider the first example as website building. In order to build a website, we should have the knowledge about HTML, CSS, JavaScript, PHP, etc. There are so many languages in order to build a website. These no-code tools, we discussed that it mainly helps the non-technical users or the business users so that to make a website for them or to make any application for them, they don't need any coding knowledge or they do not have to approach any software company. Now these no code tools are emerged. These are designed very user friendly so that it requires no knowledge about coding. We can see two no code tools in this website building. There are many, we discussed about two. The first one is Wix and the second is Squarespace. Let's talk about Wix. This platform is a user-friendly interface. It has drag and drop options. It has customizations and having lots of templates and predefined modules, etc. So we can easily make a website by using all these functions. And the second one is also almostly same, which is a Squarespace. This one enables the users to have predefined templates and borrowing them and making the editings or changes in them, and this requires a small amount of work, which major amount of work is done by already by predefined templates, and for our needs we have to change those headlines or the captions or the images and icons, app icons, etc. It simplifies our needs. So we can easily create any website by using this Wix or Squarespace, and there are Kissflow, etc. and many other platforms are there. Now let's take a challenge. We should make any website, not exactly, but the approach should be same, like your favorite app like Amazon or Swiggy, based on their model, and copy their interface and try to achieve as much as equally as possible, and you can see the change in you. In fact, you feel very happy when you achieve it very nearer, and you can show it to your friends also. And the second one, actually you don't need to talk it separately because the website and app applications come along together. Okay, the second one is app building. This also does the same work as the website building. Here also we can see two tools like Adalo and Bubble. These two mainly works on creating the visual interface by using drag and drop option and using the predefined templates. All this stuff we already talked, and additionally it links up the databases and it deals with complex data manipulation and functionality of the interface. The third sector we need to talk about is workflow automation tools. It seems to be new for beginners. It actually deals with linking up of apps and websites or any two platforms. Actually we need to write a long code for it, but with these no code tools we don't have to write a little line of code, and this code will do all their work. Here also we can see two examples, Zapier and Intergarment. These two also work on automating the works of platform and enabling the workflow between the two websites, etc. And the next example is chatbot tools. For instance, we can see these chatbot tools in mobile itself, like when coming to Google we have Google Assistant, and when coming to Amazon we have Alexa. These two are talkable, and many non-talkable chatbots are there. Recently Snapchat also enabled AI. We can talk to them, and it really helps to know us many information also. Like that, Facebook has AI. We discussed many examples of chatbots, but in the background, to create a chatbot or to link with your data, it requires lot of coding. So these no-code tools like Chartfuel and ManyChat are made as ease to create those platforms, chatbots, instead of large coding. Actually, this helps business users, like if they started to build any website or any app, they can include the chatbot in their app or website. It helps to improve the communication between customer and the maintainer, which is another than this business person. And the other example is data analysis tools. Coming to data analysis, we may have the data in the form of raw, or we can deploy into spreadsheet anyway, but at last the visualization happens more effectively in the form of bar charts or any pie charts, like visualization type. So this data analysis helps us to deploy our data into the visualization aspects without writing any kind of code. To deploy this actually in traditional coding, we need to write the code in matplotlib Python library. Instead of that, we can simply use these no-code tools and deploy that. Here also we can see two no-code tools. First one is Tableau, and next one is Google Web Studio. These two are mainly work on the visualization of data and creating the dashboards of the data, and helping the people to clearly know about what's happening. Discussing about these no-code tools is a never-ending concept. There are many no-code tools which are emerging day by day. Not simply learning about these no-code tools will give us interest or satisfaction. When we create any website or when we create any app by using these tools, will definitely gives us an spirit and motivation to work on these things. So everyone who are watching, try to make a website whenever you are free, and we are also going to show a website which we are made with no-code tools. Hope you enjoyed this no-code series, and thanks for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel.